You're about to step in it.
Thank you. What's up, guys? My name's Josh and this is Sunny D TV, and today we're gonna be taking our $500 boat home so we can get it ready to get out on the water this year. This is her right here. She's nothing pretty, but like I said, she only costs $500. We gotta go ahead and get the snowmobiles and the Razor trailer out of the way first. So we'll go ahead and get started on that, and then we'll come back and show you guys some more of the boat. What is up, guys? So we are back at the house now. Got the boat back here, can't tell. This is the $500 boat that we bought about 2 years ago. I have the truck hooked up to it right now, charging the battery, because I left the battery in it all winter long instead of pulling it out and putting it in the garage, so she was a little dead. But about to climb up in here before I put some muffs on it and see if it will even start. If it does start, I'll throw the muffs on it. We can then run some water through it and heat cycle it, because like the thumbnail says, we did not winterize this boat last year. We were just so darn excited about snowmobiling that by the time we were ready to stop boating, it was like on the snow right away. So we put it in storage, didn't winterize it, and hoped for the best. So you guys are gonna find out here soon with us whether or not good old motor in there has anything left to her. So let's just go ahead and give her a crank and see what she does. Ah, listen to that, fired right up. Pull the jumper cables off until I have muffs on it and it's been running for a while. That way I can make sure the battery is charged up and it'll start again. If not, the battery still has a warranty on it, so I'll go and get a new one. I'm gonna go ahead and get some water on it, and we'll be back here with you guys shortly. So I got some water on now. Let's hop back up here. Drop that out drive a little bit. We'll check that. Can probably still go down a little bit more. I just don't want it to, this boat sitting on this trailer will actually hit the ground if I go down too much. I'll go down just a little bit more. It's probably on the ground now. Not quite. So let's go ahead and start her back up. Now I'm just going to go ahead and keep an eye on the water temp there. That way we can see if anything crazy happens. But I'm going to go ahead and get the jumper cable is in the truck, moved out of the way and let this run for a while. Be back with you here in a second. Alright, so as I mentioned, guys, we did not winterize this boat here in Colorado. The winters get pretty cold. I don't recommend doing this to anybody, to anybody's personal equipment, but you get busy, shit happens, you don't feel like doing stuff, so she sure sounds okay though. Not really sure how good it sounds on camera, but in real life it sounds pretty good. This is a $500 boat that we bought from a guy a couple years ago, and he was just trying to get rid of it because he couldn't get it running. So what ended up actually being the problem with it was up in here in the distributor cap, right in there, it's got these old school point system instead of like electronic distribution. So the points in there were actually bad. We went to Advanced Auto Parts, got some new points, I don't know, $10 or $15. This thing fired right up, ran like a champ. We did have to replace one of the output shafts to the outdrive there because it was broken. I'm not really sure how that happened, but that was like another $150 used on eBay. So for, you know, $700, somewhere around there, we had a running boat the first year. Didn't have any issues with it, so that was pretty cool. The interior isn't great. Like this seat I planned to replace last year, but I decided not to. I threw this one out. We just put some lawn chairs up right here. I think we're gonna replace all of this, all that trim, probably do all of this trim too, all of the back trim. I rebuilt the engine cover last year because it was totally rotted out. I redid these seats last year as well because they were totally rotted out. I bought a trolling motor for this and mounted it, and then I also built a wood platform that replaces these seats here, and basically take the seats out, put the platform in there, and then you can stand on it with the pedal for the trolling motor. Battery goes right underneath there, and you can use this as a fishing boat. It actually works really well. So that's like a general overview of the inside. We're gonna make this a few-part series, kind of restoring this thing. My girlfriend really loves this boat, so uh-oh, that doesn't sound good. Uh-oh, she just shut off. Not sure what that was. Let me go ahead and take a look at this and see what that was, because that did not sound good. Hang tight there for a second, guys. All right, so here's the deal, guys. I'm not really sure what that noise was. It sounded really bad. I got it to start up again for a second, but now it doesn't want to start. So I'm actually gonna, so you can tell it's really dirty in here. You got life jackets here, a tube, some shoes, old drinks. I'm gonna clean it out and get this cover out of here so that I can actually like sit down next to the motor and take a look at some stuff. But I'll time lapse that. It goes by quick, and then we'll get back with you guys when we figure anything out on why that just shut off on us. Something's locking up back here.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I just found something down here that's not really that good. Right there, where all those rust marks are, is crack in the block. So looks like we're gonna be doing a little bit more to this boat than we thought. But we will get her up and running before summer. I can promise that. Well, anyways, I think that when I was trying to start it, the battery's dead again, but I think that what was happening is we were losing compression out that crack in the block. I could be wrong, but there's definitely water leaking out of it. I know that Alexa's not thrilled about this because she loves boating, but
sad day.
We will get her running again, guys. Don't you worry. This is just the consequence of us being lazy and not winterizing it, I guess. It's unfortunate, but hope you guys learn from our mistakes and not make them yourself. We'll keep this build series going though, I can promise you that. So thanks for watching, guys, and once again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video if you want to see more. See you later.